Hi, today we have discussed about the what is the digital marketing and what is the future of the digital marketing, what is the career, or how you can make a career for the digital marketing. See here, what I'm trying to say is that what is the digital marketing? Digital marketing is nothing but you can promote your service or products through a digital media. Today is a lot of digital media you have. This see, it's a search engine is one of the most important digital media, and the social media, so Facebook, LinkedIn, and all the things. Also, is digital marketing is nothing is simply is we can say that is promote your products or service through digital medias. See, tomorrow's how it will be. You know that she said most of the people in India, more than half of the people nowadays is using the internet, and they are using for digital media to purchase the products, and they ask for their enter their information to contact with the service providers and all the things. So that is a tomorrow it will be the digital media's age, not for the offline. The offline marketing that somebody will be do the offline marketing and all the things what they will be getting out, they will be getting impression for that whatever. This is not a measurable. But in digital media, if you promote your if you invest some amount there and you can track how much you are getting the returns and all these things you will be getting out of from there. That is digital media's benefits. In future also, the tomorrow it will be in the digital media's age only itself. So if you are looking for the good career or something like that, you wanted to change your career to some other media, the digital media is one of the best option for you because uh, nowadays only is half of the people is looking for the digital media and digital media so job and all the things. And if you go for the next level, means go for the next years or after 2 years or 3 years, the people will be come. A lot of people will be come and try there. Before that, you have to sustain there, and you will be getting out one name there. Then you will be getting your career also will be safe, and you can also do some of the business. If you are doing, you plan to do this business, you will be getting out business. You can start out business, and if you want to start continuing career in job, then that is a better option for the digital media. So a lot of digital media options we have. So you have that is what we are saying that you can see here some of the information I will be give you that we are providing one of the course for the digital media means see here some of the course we are giving that's digital marketing is for the freshers or otherwise beginners. Who can actually is join for this course means somebody is somebody will be students with a 10th and above 10th standard and above, and somebody will be graduate and they are looking for the job, and they are not getting the job with a proper area means they doesn't have information about knowledge about the digital media or something like that, or whatever the job that they wanted. And the housewife, they are not working anywhere, but they can make a money from the home itself through the digital media that will be teach you. And working professionals, they wanted to improve their career. We will be give a lot of option for those gigs. See what Bangalore ad agency is one of the biggest company in Bangalore, but we started out one of our sister concern that is a Bangalore Ads Academy. So here is for the freshers and otherwise we can say that is a beginners. We are providing some of the course that is digital marketing course. It's include SEO. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. How you can promote your products or service through the search engines. It's organically. Organically means you don't pay anything, but you have to invest some of your manpower there. And the second one is the SEM, search engine marketing. Here is only pay-per-click model, means you have to pay each visitors in your website or something like that. Social media marketing is a wide area, that is social media. You can promote your service or products through social medias. A lot of social media is available. Some of the important things is also Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is actually is a lead generation through the B2B and Facebook and other things. You can do the B2B as well as in the B2C also. And nowadays is a mobile is somebody or the people are searching from the mobiles how you can improve your search ranking in the mobile searching. Somebody will be used for the voice search, somebody will be used for the type searches, everything. And the another one is the email marketing, how you will be do the marketing through the emails. It's a simple thing. So you have to create the emails and you have to blast your target customers. Before that, you have to know about something about that. Apart from, we will give some introduction to the WordPress. WordPress is nothing. You can create a website with a free. You don't want to pay any amount other than the hosting as well as the domain purchase. So that is also we will be give the introduction about you, and we are providing the live presence and course certificate certification you will be get from the Bangalore. That's, I think so you will be get some of the idea about digital marketing and what is the future of the digital marketing and what is the career and what is the option you will be get out of career and what Bangalore Academy will be provided for you. Everything will be get out. So next time I will be coming with some other things. And if you wanted to touch with us, you can touch with us. Our phone number 890-4646-067. We will help it out how it will be, and we will be giving the demo process for you, and everything will be provided you. So please contact us if you want it.